In this video, we're going to learn how to convert degrees Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to degrees Celsius. So, to convert Celsius to Kelvin, you're going to use this formula. Degrees Celsius is equal to Kelvin, that's the degree Kelvin equivalent, minus 273. Okay, so this means that to convert Kelvin to Celsius, Celsius to Kelvin, you also use K equals to degrees Celsius plus 273. Okay, so see, we are asked to convert 100 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, so we are simply going to be using this formula here. Okay, so K, which is degree Kelvin, is equal to 100 plus 273. So 100 plus 273 is 373 Kelvin. Okay, so that's how to convert Celsius to Kelvin. Or say we are asked to convert 300 Kelvin to Celsius. Okay, so we are simply going to be saying degree Celsius equals to degree Kelvin minus 273. So degree Celsius here is 300 minus 273. So 300 minus 273 is 27 degrees. So 27 degrees Celsius, that's the equivalent of 300 degree Kelvin to Celsius. So that's how to convert Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to Celsius. So if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.